Jehovah Nissi. Okay, Nissi. Eʋegbe, Nissi, Eʋegbe. Okay, what does it mean? What does the Nissi mean in the context? Hey, Israel viewer, Yasara viewer, no Apawakble, Amalekitowe. The Israelites were in battle with the Amalekites. Ne Mose do epe akpolo deji, ekpobe yoduoji. Whenever Moses raised the staff, they were winning. Gakedi deva no ute, epasi no bojo, epasi no bojo. Na si bojo ho gevideko, Amalekito le chonewe, lewe defeati. Whenever he was weak and his arms were lowering down, the Amalekites will be having the upper hand. Yeah, hey, Israel viewer Yasara viewer du jiede. He malvel nu ho digide. Ya mo se do altar defimi tefemi refadi me. Ya ochone ebe Yehowa Nissi. So when they won, then Moses built an altar there and called it Yehowa Nissi. So Nissi, what does it mean? I said it's an Ewe word. Minami se elekehe yevo le yo le fida. Let's listen to how they pronounce it. Obe egomenye my banner.
Strong's H 3071. Jehovah Nissi. Jehovah Nissi.
Me say daddy. Okay. Now Eʋegbe. Nissi kemide. Gome sese wa me fedele un. De kaenye. Muse. Yehowa muse. That is the Lord my strength, or the Lord our strength. Muse. Nissi fengongolo. Eya kwenye. Sa. Eya ko sigba ko ngolelo. Egomeche ganye. Yehowa Nissi. That means you have heard it. Yehowa Nissi. The Most High has heard it. Minyabe Eʋegbe oyonebe polysemos. It's a polysemos language. That means one word can have various definitions. It's totally normal with an intelligent language like Eʋegbe. That we have those two meanings. That is the Most High my strength. Yehowa Nyunse. Alo Yehowa Nissi. You heard me. You heard it. You heard my prayer. You akbenami. Mauna yira milo.